Hello everybody and welcome to your lesson. Today we're going to check how to use present continuous when talking about future activities. Aprenderemos a utilizar el presente continuo para hablar de actividades en el futuro. So here we have some of the rules of the present continuous when you're using it to talk about future. So here you will have to use the subject. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. And the corresponding verb to be. I am, you are, he, she, it is, we are, or they are. And you will need a verb with the termination ing plus a time particle. This time particle normally it will be tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, in 10 hours, or something that tells us we're talking about future. When you try to create a sentence in the negative form, you're going to do the same, but including the particle not. I am not traveling tomorrow. You are not traveling tomorrow. She's not traveling tomorrow. They are not traveling tomorrow. Negative form. And to create the question, you are going to change verb to be to the first part of the sentence. So we are going to start the question using am, is, or are. Am I traveling? Are you traveling tomorrow? Is he traveling tomorrow? Are we traveling tomorrow? The way to create the answer would be yes, I am, or no, I am not. Yes, she is, or no, she is not. Yes, they are, or no, they are not. So now we're going to create some examples. Here you have the present continuous rules. I am driving home. She is dancing in the party. We are practicing tennis. All of these sentences talk about something that is happening in this moment, ¿ya? Yo estoy manejando hacia mi casa. Ella está bailando en la fiesta. Nosotros estamos practicando tenis en este momento porque estamos usando presente continuo. Pero este tiempo también se puede utilizar para hablar del futuro. Para eso vamos a agregarle una partícula de tiempo. Mañana, en 2 horas, la próxima semana. Al agregar esto, nuestra oración se convierte en una oración que habla del futuro. So, I'm driving home in 2 hours. She's dancing in the party next week. We're practicing tennis tomorrow. Here we have a little exercise just to practice. Fill in the blanks below to complete the sentences. Use the words in the above boxes. Okay, Sam have lunch. So Sam is having lunch at the cafeteria tomorrow. Time particle. Are you flying to Dubai next week? Yes, I am. Solo recuerda utilizar las reglas que te di hace un momento para poder llenar este ejercicio. Te ayudaré hasta el número 4, pero a partir del 5 deberás de escribirlo en la plataforma y enviarlo para revisión. Number 3. Mrs. Perkins is giving her students a test in a few days. Hurry, the train is leaving in 10 minutes. So that's all for me. It's your turn to try your best. That's all for today. Until next time. Bye bye.